Hi and welcome to Travel Agent Solutions. In this video, we will be learning how to create a flight voucher in Travel Management System 3.0. You simply need to click on quotations and vouchers. Here you have a list of all the quotations as well as the vouchers that you have previously created. Now simply click on new quotation voucher. First, you need to select the basic details of the client, like for which particular client you are creating this flight voucher. You can also create a new client from here via quick add feature. And if the client is already added, you can simply select that client. You can select the travel date from here, destination, number of adults, number of children. Click on create voucher. Then let's click next. Then it will ask you for which different services you want to include in this booking. You can include hotel booking, transport, flight, and detailed itinerary. Let's click on include flight bookings and click on next. When we click on flight booking, we have this flight icon coming over here. Let's go to flight, and here we have an option to add the flight number, flight name, departure details. Let's add a flight number. I'm just adding a random details. We have option to add timings as well. We can also set the arrival timings. Five 30 a.m. We can add the PNR number here as well. And if you want to add any notes, you can add here. And in case if you want to add the returning flight as well, you simply need to add to flight. So this will basically create a duplicate of the above. Here you can add the return flight details. We can add the arrival details also. And again, the PNR number. If there are any flight notes, you can add over here, like maybe fully paid or something, whatever you wish. Let's simply click on create. Let's see, click on the download PDFs and download flight voucher. Here, this is the confirmation voucher for the flight. Dear Anirudh Babbar, your flight booking is confirmed by Easy to Travel. Your company name would be coming over here. We have secured your travel and your e-tickets details are included. This is the flight detail 1 of 2, flight name, departure, PNR number, arrival, seat, meal options, and baggage. And this is the flight details 2 of 2. These are the notes coming here. Also, we need to make sure that we have all the passenger names coming up over here. So to add all the passengers' names, what we need to do is we need to add them first, like their passport details and all those things. So here we have this user Anirudh. If we go to the client, and at the bottom we have an option to manage the passengers. So once we add the passengers over here, they would be available on all future bookings. Like I enter the first name as Anirudh, middle name I'll put blank, date of birth, passport number. Let me add something random, and expiry date let's put as 25/12/2030. Let me add another packs to this main client Anirudh Babbar. Let's add Vivan Babbar. Let's put in date of birth to 01/01/2020. Male, passport number, some random details, and passport expiry again as 25/12/2031. And let me click on save changes. So when you're booking a new ticket for this particular client again in future, these passenger details would be automatically saved into the master database. So when we come back to the quotation vouchers, here we can select the passengers as well. Let's simply type Anirudh. Let me just do a quick refresh. Because we just created those in a different table. And here we have all the passengers that are assigned with this particular client. So if I select this Anirudh and Vivan both, and let me save changes. Now on the PDF, we will be able to see all those passenger details as well. So here we have the passenger details on the flight voucher. So you can make it a print of it. And this is a very professional voucher, specially created for travel companies. And this is very helpful for the small travel companies as well as the large travel companies. So their team can easily create flight confirmation vouchers. You can also directly send this particular voucher to the email to the client. And this will also be available in the quotations and the vouchers tab. This is the quotation and the voucher tabs. Here we have, let's go to the list vouchers. Here we have all the vouchers that we have created in the recent time. The latest one, this. Let me click on email and send flight voucher email. I'll click on this. I'll click on confirm. This takes a couple of seconds to send email because it's drafting the PDF files on the go and attaching it to the email. Let me Here we have received the email from the company. It says easy to travel, flight itinerary and voucher. My email has been used as the client email. So to the client, a professional email has been sent with all the information, the route, the departure, arrival, durations, class, seat numbers, meal preferences, baggage allowance, ticket price, and these are the details for the flight too. And the passenger details are also mentioned over here. And when we scroll down, we have the flight voucher attached to the invoice to the email as well. You can simply click on download. The client can simply click here to download this flight voucher. And this is very much customizable as well. The blue color that you're seeing over here can be customized to match your logos or the brand colors. This design, the color themes are 100% customizable as per your brand design. And these flight policies, etc., needed to be edited once into the system and they would be automatically coming to all your vouchers. Similar to this, you can create different hotel vouchers, transport vouchers, and flight vouchers as well. You can also issue a complete itinerary voucher for the client via TMS 3.0. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any queries, please let us know.